Alright, we're jumping onto a massive job today. This is a $6 million house, and we're going to be doing $2 million worth of work to it. We can see the boys have been here for a day or two. They've taken off the roof tiles, taken off all the roof battens, and this is my first day, so we'll jump in and have a look at what's going on. Oh no. Dude, that'll take like a day to clean up.
I only did it right, man, 2 days to do all this.
Yeah, you guys actually did alright. It's a big roof. All the battens and tiles. I'm guessing we're going to be building a roof all the way across and over all of this.
It's a big girder going this way from here to there.
Oh, okay. Then we'll just have saddles through there and frame out through here.
We go, I think, halfway through that room.
Okay. Good start to the day.
We're just getting into it and it started to bucket down. We're here at this job mainly focusing on the roof. Obviously there's been a lot of work already done to this place. The company I'm working for though is here just to strip back the roof, which is already done, and we're going to be spending a few days taking out these old trusses and putting new trusses into them. Obviously right now when it's pouring down rain, I don't want to be working on the roof, so we're going to help the other guys out just by pushing a few barrows of buckets of concrete so that they can grab the buckets and pour it into the blockwork here where a slab's going to be formed up over the next day or two. So we're going to help out with that. With that done, the truss delivery did come, so everything is ready to go. But I think at this point, with how wet we all are, I'm just going to land the trusses on the ground, and that's going to be it for day one here.
That's great.
Well, that day did not go as planned. We've only worked a few hours so far and I'm done for the day. We're heading home completely soaked. I've taken my t-shirt off, it's wet, my jumper's wet, jacket's wet. We're done for the day. We poured some concrete, trusses are loaded, and we just did a few small bits and pieces in the basement. Didn't even bother recording any of that. It was nothing exciting. Be back tomorrow though. Hopefully the weather's better and we can actually start doing some trusses and working on this project.
Oh no.
They are soaking. Alright, we're back at it, and hopefully today the weather's going to be a bit better. I think what we're going to do, instead of setting up around the back where we were yesterday, where we were bolting that timber to the steel, we're going to jump to the front. Trusses are here so we can start installing them. I'm not sure if we're going to start throwing those up straight away, or if we will start with a demo. All these settled trusses through here in this hip at the front is all getting deleted. So I'll wait until the other boys rock up and see what the plan is, but I do think we're going to be doing something around the front here to start with today. Wait, can you catch this? Yeah. It's on. Do you mind just sitting on that top log over there?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
He's got bad like this.
So obviously we did decide to start with the demo. We are actually going to get rid of about 5 trusses and then start putting up some of the new ones. The trusses that we are taking down right now are almost exactly the same as the new ones we are putting up. I think the new trusses we have are about 15 mil higher at the tallest part of the truss. So we almost could have got away with using the old ones. There would have been a small step in the roof though, so that's why we are taking these down and replacing them with new ones. These trusses went up pretty easily, and before we jump across to keep demoing the existing trusses, we do want to go through and just brace everything off. I'm just jumping on the speed brace right now. I do prefer to do this with hammer and nail. I find it easier climbing through the roof, not having a gun hooked onto me, even if it is a PPN. I've been using the Pazload PPN a bit recently. So much better than having a hose up on the roof, but I still just love doing this with a hammer and nail. I feel like it is pretty quick anyway, but there's no stress about knocking your gun off and breaking any tools.
Hardware does wonders.
Does wonders.
Yeah, well, it's so much better than nails. I think nails hold at like 10%.
Especially for trusses where you got to skew them too.
Yeah, well, they look fucked. Most nails will never ever hold a truss.
Oh, we're taking off everything to where that old hip is. And we're just going to leave those jack trusses in there. So all this here, everything here is going, and we're just going to leave, yeah, those ones running through there. No, those saddles are definitely going. And our new saddles are going to follow that.
Oh, true,
Yeah, that line through to there. All right.
Right, okay.
Oh, what's down there if I just throw everything down there? Is that doable?
Yeah, just move the tool that way on.
Down where?
Like that way, where the valley is.
Down, like straight with.
Yeah.
Oh, there.
What about down there?
Is that all right? Trusses.
It's that brick wall down there, but.
Hey?
It's that brick wall down there, but.
Let me know when you're clear. All good?
I want to move the gun and just go see that as well.
Alright, thanks. Alright, I'm gonna throw it out the back. Yeah. All good? Alright. Well, some my stuff. Come on. Yep. These are going to be a pain to cut. We've still got everything running them, so we're just going to have to cut everything in small pieces.
Yeah, true.
This is what we'll have to move though. We've got to stand the trusses up next week. Obviously we can't stand trusses up with his pipes. We'll have to get them to sort that.
Sure, they're gonna have to. Are they gonna redo them? That's all copper, isn't it?
They would have to. They have to redo them. Because there's no way we can get a bottom cord underneath that.
These are all dropping out, aren't
Yeah, they are. Shit, do you see how that whole front section's held up there? I don't see any like connections in those beams though.
no.
It looks like there was like no bolt holes or nail holes or anything. Maybe.
Yeah.
It could have been sitting on brickwork or something, but yeah, I might just
That was the old front door.
might jump on that now. I'll stay inside. I'm just gonna cut everything and watch it fall. Ready? Yeah. Oh, it's in there. Oh, is it that?
Yeah, it's. Can you wedge that off? Like, fascia? It's possibly the worst outcome.
Alright, we'll jump down and clean that up now. It's like hanging in the worst spot, and I feel like if I cut it, the whole thing's just gonna go. You see what I mean? It's not touching the ground at all there. That bit's holding all the weight. So as soon as we move that,
I've got a plan.
I'm just gonna hold it, and you're gonna move that. Alright, you go slow. Oh, it's stuck up there. It's stuck on a block up there.
Yeah, it's blocked like a big.
Alright, if you pull that out of the way, we're gonna have to try to slide this down and across. Oh, actually, a better idea.
The better idea is get it.
It's coming down? Yeah. Sweet.
Oh my god, this thing just fucking land.
That was easy. One way to get that down, make some firewood. Drop in. Whew, she's looking good. Yeah, we got a big clean up to do now. Have they mentioned what they're doing with this ply in here? Is this all going to get dropped later? Or are they wanting us to go through and clear off all the roof tiles and everything that's on it?
Oh yeah, probably just. I think it's all staying.
I wonder if they want us to go through and get rid of all the nails in these trusses.
Yeah.
We do?
Yeah.
Alright, I might. Jeez, that's going to be like a day's worth of work. How do we get rid of all that?
TNT.
TNT. Yeah, that wasn't a good idea. Is it just like cut a piece at a time and...
Yeah, you can't just hope heaps rolls.
Oh, that's not good. You hold that.
You can drop that wire.